Hi, my name's D. I'm the owner of Designs by Gregory. I graduated TGB in May of 2025, and this is my first build. And I'm projected to make 5 figures on my very first build. Prior to building, I owned a small rental company. I had no experience with real estate, never did a fix and flip, nothing. So TGB kind of just took my hand and guided me all the way through my first build. Since I've been building, my day-to-day life has been actually hands-on, and I actually kind of enjoy it. I've actually found more of a passion for real estate. I enjoy doing this. Instead of going and having to go make sure a car gets washed or detailed or maintenance on it, now I can just go and meet up with my trade and make sure that they're attending to the task at hand. It's a little bit better for me because I get to learn from the trade as I build. So they're teaching me about plumbing, teaching me about electrical or HVACs or whatever it is. The process of building this house, for me as being a beginner, actually is kind of smooth. There will be problems in construction and building regardless, but it was nothing that I couldn't handle. Going through TGB, it kind of gave me the guidelines of what to expect, and that's what it was. For me, being in the mentorship program was actually something I needed. It put me around those like-minded people. It put me around real estate, and it just got me into activities and opportunities that I couldn't have without it. TGB community has put me in the opportunity to meet new people and to form partnerships. And so it's actually what I did on this build here. Now I'm able to go around and just network with people and kind of figure out if we can get a deal done or not, or if there's an opportunity there. So basically for anyone who has kind of hesitancy about getting into TGB, man, you just gotta be willing to invest into yourself. There's no scam or nothing like that going on with TGB, I promise you. I also had hesitations, but after getting to meet the mentors and getting around other students that have actually had builds and sold their projects, so it kind of was like a no-brainer to join. Hi, my name is D, and I'm the owner of Designs by Gregory, and I build anything from affordable markets to higher-end homes. So with Designs by Gregory, I'm a smaller business, so I'm a little bit more attentive to the detail, and I can actually have the time to provide the quality that you need for your home. In today's time, you want someone who can actually build and that you can feel trusted with as well. You'll know that you're actually getting a quality home that you can pretty much live in for a lifetime. I mean, I actually wouldn't mind living in this home myself. I took the time out to make sure that this home was built correctly without cutting any corners.